Here we have a 2015 Roadster 3.7 in Audi Scuba Blue Metallic. Stainless steel wire wheels, mesh grille, overriders, bonnet strap, St George's badges, extra wing treads, blue Mohair weather equipment, door handles, elasticated door pockets, Sunvisors, Walnut Dashboard, supplied by us, only one owner, 9,195 miles, leather trim detailing, radio CD, embroidered headrests. Livery is Portland grey. Very pretty Roadster. Taken in as part exchange against a new Plus 6, and we're very happy to have the car back in. Full Allen White service history. Thank you for looking. Any questions, feel free to contact us. Phone number is 01234 750 205. Thank you very much.